Oh my god, I don't know, just bad. It's pretty moderate.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
Hey guys, this is Ayushi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I planned on recreating a few Instagram pictures of my favorite influencers, and the one thing that I kept in mind while choosing the influencers was that they were the same age or near the age of me, because somehow I thought that would help. It clearly didn't, and also because we all are in quarantine, I thought it would be way easier because they'll also be taking pictures in their house and not going fancy places. And somehow again I thought that would be easier. It certainly wasn't. And the four influencers that I chose were Sydney Serena, Sadie Aldis, Charlie D'Amelio, and Holly. Keep watching to see how I did it. Okay, so the first influencer that I recreated was the infamous Charlie D'Amelio and her signature middle part with the two fringes in the front. And somehow this was the easiest pictures of all of them to recreate. Only the problem was this part, the front part. Her front part is so straight and mine wasn't staying straight or sleek, so I applied oil, and you can see the BTS of that. I'll put it after this. Okay guys, this is what I'm wearing. It is pretty similar to her sweatshirt, only hers didn't have this red coloring, but it won't as such be really visible. So let's start recreating. Her middle part is so sleek and mine is not staying like that. Also this thing, fringes, bangs, I don't know, are staying. Oh! Okay. I guess I'm gonna work with this and see if we can get a decent picture. Oh! Oh, look at this. This camera is really bad because it's my sister's phone, and also I almost got it, only the hair looks weird. I guess I got it. Okay, so this, out of all the pictures, this was my favorite picture, and this was also pretty easy to recreate, and I like how it turned out. The only problem is that my hair again was not staying straight, and that is the only difference between both the pictures. Otherwise, I tried to edit them as closely as I could to make them brighter, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'll put the pictures on the screen. I'll rate this picture a solid 8 out of 10. I just think it's pretty exact. Now the next influencer that I chose was Sydney Serena. And this picture, oh my god, this was so hard. She looks so effortless doing that pose like this, and I somehow could not do it. My back was paining doing it. I don't know if that says how unfit I am or I don't know what, but it looked so bad. She's wearing a black net top. Now I don't have a top which has the shoulder cut out, but I have a similar one, and that is the one I'll be wearing. And also she's wearing a black headband. I don't have that either, but I'll try to use a cloth or do it with my hair only. I'm going to be straightening my hair. Hey guys, this is what I changed into for the Sydney's picture. It is pretty similar to hers. It only doesn't have the shoulder thingy. Anyways, I didn't have a black hairband, so I'm wrapping this red one with this black belt, and let's see if it works. Guys, I'm done with this. It looks pretty good. Oof. It won't look really black, but I guess it works. Also, I look like a olden days heroine. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Also, I put in the clips. It hurts so much, but I put it over here. And let's see, if it doesn't look good, I'll change the position. Otherwise, And also I'm not straightening my hair again. It's so hot, it's gonna get back to this state. So I'm not gonna straighten it and we'll make it work. We took a dozen of pictures but none of them turned out good, so I chose one that was the nearest, and it is still not good, but that is the one that I chose. And I just hate how it looks. I don't like it. Also, her picture was pretty golden, so I tried to use a golden hour preset to edit it, and I think the editing is still more similar to the picture than my actual poses. And I can't even tell you how much I dislike this picture, not because of her, because of me. I will rate this picture, I don't know, I'll give it a 3 out of 10. I just don't like it. The next influencer was Sadie Aldis. She's my current favorite YouTuber. I've been binge watching her video for the past 3-4 days, and she is also 17, just like me. She was wearing glasses, and these are my fake glasses. Okay, I look so much better without them. And also the same hoodie that I wore in the Charlie's picture. So let's take it. Okay guys, I'm done taking Sadie's picture, recreating. It was so hard. She looked so effortless doing it, and I looked, I don't know, just bad. I guess my outfits were pretty exact in all of them, and I really like how it turned out. It's not great, but I guess it is pretty moderate. I watched one of her videos where she showed how she edits her pictures, and I used the presets on Visco and edited it pretty similar, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'll give this one a solid 7 out of 10. The last influencer that I chose was Holly, and she looks so gorgeous, she's so pretty, and I chose a picture where she was lying on the ground, and it was such a pretty picture, and again she looked really effortless doing it. I DIY'd these shoes like this drip. You can watch it after this one. It was my first video that I uploaded. I'll link it in the eye if you are interested to see how I did that. Okay guys, this is the OOTD for the last one. I'm wearing a dark blue, navy blue hoodie along with grey leggings and shoes. Also, she was wearing a jacket, navy blue jacket, but I don't have it. I'm gonna make this work. Also, I hope this is easy because all the other pictures were really tough. Also, she was wearing eyeliner, so I'll go and put on some eyeliner. I generally don't know how to apply eyeliner. Look at how bad that looks. And also, look at that. Shall I just not do it? I'm gonna try it again. Olive. I was just laying over there and I could not get my hands like that, like how she placed them. Even the final picture that I chose, my hands look really weird. Otherwise, I think I got this picture really exact. Like after Charlie, I guess this was the one that was pretty exact, and I again tried to edit it as similar as I could to hers. It doesn't look pretty similar on the way that it is edited, but still I'll give this one a 6 out of 10. Now let me tell you, I'm being very generous with these scores. I don't think they are as good, but looking into how much hard work I put into them, I guess it is pretty good. And also, I would like to say almost all my outfits were pretty similar to theirs. Anyways, I would love if you guys could rate these pictures in the description. Anyways, I would love it if you guys could comment down and tell me which one your favorite was and how much you would rate them, I guess. And also follow me on my Instagram. I may post one or two, whichever one turned out good. My @ is Ayushi with an extra I, X Manhas. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe and turn my post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.